you do. I can get more money than you. Get more money than you.
All right, y'all make some noise for Rich Roland. Got his Black Queen. Let's go, Southern. They got a lot of. I see you, my nigga. And when it bring it to they can't stand up for what they said. Nah, I ain't saying what you said. So take your time, baby. Say what? We can throw them hands up. Let's go, baby. Oh, shoot.
Hit you and your man up, make it hard for you. Take it through, they don't want it with us, dude. Never mother, two buses, like who's that?
Your mouth right chest that your ass can't cash. I see you, my nigga.
Let's scramble like eggs and break fast. Cause I know how did you pay that?
Yeah.
Yesterday's trash.
I see you, my nigga. Y'all give it up for 7, y'all. Let's go, baby. Do your thing. Ooh, I see you, girl. What you doing? Come on here, baby. Let's go, baby. Take your time. Take your time. They call her bad habit. I see you, girl. She being escorted by motivation, y'all.
DJ Fizzle.
Let's go, Trump!
Jumping out of rollers, like a car show. That's the way we roll up. No bar show. All the hoes know us. The security don't even control us. I think some niggas say we that super soldier. So I feel my way. Stepping on the sofa.
Y'all make some noise for Trump, y'all!
I can hear you if you don't toast.
Oh, shoot! I see you, Trump!
I'm all about that big dough. Shot a real hood nigga, just like a real hoe.
Y'all make some noise for John! The Trump!
Heroes eventually die.
Oh, shit now!
Sometimes lie. None of this is show.
I see you, Mr. Trump!
Until they go from hurt.
Take your time, baby. It's your anniversary. Do your thing, my nigga. Yeah, yeah.
Heroes eventually die. Horoscopes are the lie. Sometimes right. Love is the show. Love is the soul. No last forever, but it's
All right, y'all, put y'all. Let's get it. All right, Day, A-Rab, and Kenny Mac, y'all.
That's what it tells Steven Spielberg and George Lucas. Thank you for directing this movie. I can't get hot alive. Please, we make friends. Wish me a lot. Remember, he not hungry. He be that lot of me. Wish me a lot. Remember, he not hungry. I can talk about your money, but I really don't care. I'm in the common streets, you know, trying to buy it. First black young man, a rap trade out. I control each part of my ozone layer.
Detroit City. Let's go, City. Do your thing, my nigga.
Everything that we touch, we A1 since day one. When they
Y'all see
y'all
it.
know where they from. Ex-nigga from the home of cash hitters. This nigga you know, like niggas that'll talk you like Uno. Transfer from JUCO to cocaine college. I got street knowledge. They keep their heat polished. Fuck starving and living like new bondage. Too many study economics. I'ma put mine in the air like Onyx. The niggas in the game on phonics don't know it. We them guys and you know it. For my block niggas, bust a block niggas.
I see you, Detroit City.
Big block niggas for my west side. Know you with the rock niggas. We don't stop niggas. And if you not niggas, it's for my
Y'all make some noise for the fam, y'all. Them fellas. But don't fuck up. They call this nigga House, y'all. Let's go, House. Y'all make some noise for House. Y'all make some noise for life.
Nigga, we ain't had nothing.
Do your thing, baby.
Same.
Do your thing.
Tryna make a little change. Bricks
I
made
see
over
you,
make
my
time.
nigga.
I don't want to hear you keep up. I'ma put the powder in the pot. Whip it till I'm pulling off a lot. Imagine when I pull it off a lot. New shit come without a top. Once I'm on, I ain't never gonna stop. Bitch, I'm on, I ain't never gonna stop. Hey, bang in the game, get money. Flip chicks, whip, get money. Niggas get bang, get money. Cause bang for the money, shit, bang up money. You wanna see a nigga on the block? Cause you come up, gotta keep it on the low. A nigga pull up, that's a nigga with a hoe. Wanna break the bitch down at the 36 house. Look at here, bitch, I'm big, okay. Shark won't fuck with me. Every day, jam, bitch, she gon' hit my line. We ain't gon' waste no time. Sucking and we fucking like she need me, need me, need me, need me, need me, need me.
All right, y'all make some motherfucking noise for the fam. Escorted by the bitches, and they call her bad bitch thick. Let's go.
Report live backstage from the thick house. It's more breathless. Get some tips back here to the pop out chicken truck. We got white niggas, we got all types of
Make some motherfucking noise, y'all. Who need friends when you got bitch?
I can't even pass on. She walk around with all that damn ass on. Dick, 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 dick. I can't even pass on. She walk around with all that damn ass on.
Let's go, y'all. I'm down for my bitches. I'm down for my bitches. I'm down for my bitches. Fuck you, little bitches. Fuck you, little bitches. I'm down for my bitches. Fuck you, little bitches. Fuck that damn
Just like social media, put you in the dirt, take a picture on front of the t-shirt.
Y'all make some noise for my big stick.
Chasing money, ain't got time for bitches. Big block on me, I swear I ain't playing with niggas. 54 blue, it take 2 days to get it. When I turn around, I feel so amazing, nigga. Bustin' down the 100 strip. Bust the rollie, talk my jewelry like you know my shit. Knock a nigga head off, so don't touch my shit. I'm a pro too, nigga, I'm really with this shit. I told niggas I was next up. I had to get back to the track and run my check up.
I told niggas I was next up. I had to get back to the track and run my check up.
Way to hit that road, but I can't say the route. I got a plug on some shit I ain't gonna say out loud. I know some words you can take, but I can't say the town. Don't ever talk in the biz, we can't talk in the house. Cover up that 18 with me. Been back and forth on that road, I ain't seen niggas. Can get this shit on my own and I don't need niggas. This shit secrecy, it gotta stay between niggas. You don't know how women feel, nigga. Have you ever let this pussy? Never had the pleasure of seeing your stand junkie. Buy some Louis real once, let them get dusty. Look, I know you saw some cash, have you ever saw some money? Buy some birds, decorator, we real changing. Translator just to understand what my plug's saying. Have you ever hired somebody to watch your money? Then pay somebody else to watch your money?
All right, y'all. You hear me? VPs to make some noise. We about to bring out the vice president. Y'all make some noise for that one they call OT.
Yeah, I'ma like this fireplace, you like some candles. If it get too hot, how much you think you can handle? Make you melt like ice cream. Quiet as kept, if I take my hand above your mouth, you might scream.
Y'all make some noise for OT, y'all.
Jam in the jungle, and let
I
me
see you, my nigga.
pulling on your hair like a bundle. Every now and then you like it rough, sometimes you like it gentle. I just wanna make love all night while we listen to the sound to the system.
again. Okay, y'all, as y'all know, Snoop Diggity is doing his motherfucking thing. And he got another chapter, y'all. We about to bring out the new chapter, and they call Extended Fam. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, Trump. Welcome back. We got Sexy Mo. We got Deadass. We got Miss Soka. We got Sweet. We got Dank. We got Ace. D-Day. Mr. Unity Clan. Team Live. And we got the motherfucking president. They call that nigga Retro.
Oh, yeah. Extended family up in here, y'all. Hey, we got some more surprises for y'all, though. It ain't over yet, baby. It ain't over yet. Real heavy. It's real heavy. Hey, hold on. One time. My family, one time. I just gotta hear it. My family ready? We fam! Oh, hold on, wait a minute. We fam! That's what I'm talking about. Now check it out, y'all. My man really don't need no introduction. My right hand, left hand, my brother, the president of the band and truck club, the founder of the fam, my dog, that been rocking since one. Give it up for Snoop Diggity.
one of y'all for coming out supporting us. We've been through some tough times over the last 2-3 years. But as you can see, everybody that's standing up, we never left each other. We all stuck together. And loyalty is everything. I love everybody. I ain't gonna make no long speech.
I don't know.
And if y'all, as y'all can see,
I've been over here for a minute.
And a positive way. And that's for all of us. I love y'all. Thank y'all for coming out. We fam. We fam. We fam. I love y'all. And I got 4 plaques I want to give out, and then we're going to get back to the party. Hey, I want to give First Family Motorsports Club. This is the FAMS Motorsports Club. The second one going out to our very own First Co-Ed Social Club, Extended Fam. Where my son at? The third award go to our very first all-female social club division, Queen Bosses of the Fam. And last but not least, they're not a division of us, but they've been rocking with us and supporting us since day one. Angels in the Sky Social Club. Hey. We fam. Let's get back to the party. Enjoy yourself.